Okay, folks, wow, it's been a bunch of videos, hasn't it? Well, I want to go ahead and summarize things here from all your questions. And the last one we have on the list, which of course you may have other questions in this, please give us a call if you do. We're going to answer those, and we'll talk to you about any aspect of the program. If you're like most people, you've already booked with us by this point, so you're already on our process to get you going on your adventure, which is really exciting. Last question, I kind of alluded to it before, but we often get this one. Do you fly jets? Do you fly P-51 Mustangs? The airplane we fly is not a jet. Really, even though we're all military fighter pilots and jet pilots, the airplane we use is the aerobatic airplane called the Extra 300 Unlimited Category Aerobatic Aircraft. It does handle like a little fighter, but it is not a fighter jet. We're not going to be going supersonic. All right, we're not going to be going 400 knots. The airplane is very high performance, and quite honestly, unless you're low, that sensation of speed is something you're not going to have anyway. However, our pilots, having flown the highest performance airplanes in the world, aerobatic and fighter aircraft, is the Extra 300 keeps us happy every single day. It is fabulous. It is just a tremendously capable airplane that outperforms any of the fighters we ever flew in the military. If you're looking for P-51, great aircraft, by the way, fabulous, fabulous aircraft, great experience. But if you think that the P-51, you're going to it for the performance, other than speed, the Extra 300 blows it away in all its other capabilities and maneuverability that it has. So I do understand that some people are interested in going for a flight in a jet. Sure, you got to do it. I mean, go ahead and do that. When it comes down to doing air combat and really going up there and doing the type of maneuvers that you've only dreamed about, then the Extra 300 is more than capable of doing that. In fact, as I said before, it's the world's highest performance certified aerobatic airplane, and that's bragging rights. When you or your gift certificate walks away from this adventure, they're going to be able to tell everybody they meet that they flew the Extra 300 and tell them all about it and all of its capabilities. So to finish things off, we have great resources here. We have the best pilots in the world, the best airplanes in the world, and the best staff in the world as far as we're concerned, to give you the most realistic, most real-life adventure that we can provide to you to have a great time. So this ends our video series for you. I hope we answered many of your questions, and as I said, most of you by this point are going to be on our program and coming flying with us. So if you haven't, I recommend you do it, of course. It's our company, but just only because I've seen thousands of people come through our program, and without exception, they walk away having had a great time, having fun, and really having enjoyed themselves. So, the fighter combat adventure is fabulous. So, make sure I would say go ahead and pick whatever you want. Start basic if you're not sure what to do, or just get the process going. And if you've got a gift certificate and you're still watching these videos, go ahead and book it. We want you to come flying. You're not going to regret it. It's going to be a great time. All right, so come on down and have a fun time. We look forward to seeing you, meeting you, your gift recipient, and the people you want to bring along, and look forward to knowing your name.